Rob Frazier here. This video I want to talk about the main 4 affiliate marketing biz ops that I'm going to be promoting in 2020. And before I get into this video, I will say that 2 of these programs will teach you skills that you will not have to use, or you won't have to sell, basically. So the first 2 programs are centered around affiliate marketing and learning affiliate marketing. And the last 2 skills, one will teach you how to trade cryptocurrencies on a daily basis for profit. And then the last skill, if you can call it a skill, is cryptocurrency mining, that's the super easiest part of this whole piece. So basically, there's 4 programs, and I might promote little side programs here and there, but these 4 programs fall under one umbrella for me, if you will. And I'm going to be really focusing on these 4 products, or these 4 programs, in my Facebook group. I have a Complete Freedom Facebook group where if people want to get a hold of me, they have questions about the program, they want to know how to promote it, they want to know how to make money, things like that. And I'm include the link to get on my email list so you can see how I promote these 4 programs, and also a link to that Facebook group. So if you want to learn affiliate marketing, more so affiliate marketing in the biz op sense. I mean, I have 2 affiliate marketing biz op type programs, and then the last 2, iCoin Pro and Mining City. iCoin Pro is where you'll learn about trading cryptocurrency, and Mining City is where you'll learn how to mine crypto. Mining crypto, you don't have to talk to anybody. You basically purchase a certain amount of hash rate, and on a daily basis you get paid the coin you are mining, and you can trade that coin and trade it for dollars or just hang on to it. So that being said, not really going to talk about a whole lot, but this right here, all of these sales funnels are going to be made through the Power Lead system. I've borrowed some other sales funnels here or there, but I'm slowly making them all Power Lead system funnels here. And so this right here is Mining City. This right here, when I'm done with it, is going to be iCoin Pro. I'm having some little issues there with YouTube. I also thought about just not even doing a sales funnel for iCoin. You really don't need one. But I also have a sales funnel for Power Lead System and Exodus Elite that I just finally got together as well. The whole idea is, I remember I was talking with one of my guys who joined me, and he said it's like a car. You have 4 tires on your car, and just like that, we have 4 programs, 4 income streams, 4 tires, and if you get a flat, for whatever reason, you don't ditch the car, you just simply replace the tire and keep on rolling. And that's the whole idea. That was the whole goal when I started this whole thing and my Facebook group. I said, look, you can't get married to these business opportunities because they come and they go. But what I wanted was something that was solid, that you can actually learn other skills. So that's where I got iCoin Pro as far as learning how to trade crypto, and Mining City as far as mining crypto. Because it's not always going to be hunky-dory across the board. Sometimes you might go a couple of weeks, couple of months without making any new sales. In that case, we have our trading and our mining. And same thing with trading. Some days you might be up, some days you might be down, but that's why we also have the cryptocurrency mining piece. So it's the whole point is to just keep the income coming in and not be too dependent on any one thing or any one skill, if that makes sense. So that being said, you can, in the description of this video, you click on a link, more likely it's going to look like this. You're going to get on my email list. For the first few emails, I'm just simply going to be promoting the main program, Exodus Elite and Power Lead System. But then after you get on my daily email list, you'll see how I rotate in iCoin Pro and Mining City. And it's very simple. These 4 main programs, I send at least 4 emails a week to my list. On Monday, Monday Mining. every single Monday, I email out this page right here, and I have gotten signups, and I do get signups doing this. Every single Monday, I send out my Mining City email. Every single Tuesday, Teaching Trading Tuesday, I send out my iCoin Pro. I don't actually send out this page, but I'm working on the sales funnel as we speak, so this is just a temporary page, but I'm using it here as an illustration, as a stand-in. But every single Tuesday, I'll email out my iCoin Pro page. Every single Wednesday or Thursday, I switch those days, I'll email out my Power Lead System, just my default Power Lead System funnels, or I'll email out my interview. Power Lead System interviewed me, and I told my story. And so every single Thursday or Wednesday, I'll email out that. Power Lead System also does trainings every Wednesday and Thursday night, so I'll sometimes put those in my emails as well. And every single Friday, I call it Fast Money Friday, I email out my Exodus Elite page. Why? Because Exodus Elite, you join today, you get started today, you get paid today. So it's having 4 different streams of income and 4 different types of comp plans. Power Lead System pays residual, it builds your residual income. Exodus Elite pays you right now today, but it's a one-shot deal. iCoin Pro, you're trading, you learn the simple skills, and it's really not hard. You learn the skill, and then that will pay you on a daily basis. And with cryptocurrency mining, that pays you on a daily basis as well. So even if you can't make the initial quick sales on the front end, you still have your trading income coming in, and you still have your mining income coming in. And so you're not too dependent or married on any one thing, because it's a total of these 4 programs working together. So if that sounds interesting to you, if that makes sense, get in my Facebook group, say, hey Rob, I want to work with you. Even if you joined other people in these programs, get in the Facebook group. And if you have joined 1 or 2 of them, join all 4. Mining City, no monthly fees. You can join for free and later on use some profits to get a mining package. They start anywhere from $300 on up. iCoin Pro, get a free account. Even Power Lead System, you get the free lead system if it's too much to get started with. But that being said, name's Rob Frazier. Links are below. I'll see you in the next one.